Good afternoon. Welcome to the Mind of STEM channel, where you get your daily dose of science, technology, engineering, and math. My name is Leon Jones, and today I'm going to talk about entomology. Entomology is very important because during the summer, you see a lot of bugs flying around. They're known as insects. And in this segment, I want to touch upon the study of insects by talking about entomology. Now, entomology is a branch of zoology dealing with scientific study of insects. The word, which is Greek, entomon, meaning notched, it refers to the segmented body plan of the insect. The zoological categories of genetics, taxonomy, morphology, physiology, behavior, and ecology are also included in the field of entomology. Also included are the applied insects of economic entomology, which encompasses the harmful and beneficial impact of insects on humans and their activities. Entomology also plays an important role in studies of biodiversity and assessment of environmental quality. Now, throughout our history, the study of insects has intrigued great scientific minds. In the 4th century BC, the Greek philosopher and scientist Aristotle provided descriptions of insect anatomy, establishing the groundwork for modern entomology. Pliny the Elder added to Aristotle's list of species. Now, the Italian naturalist Ulysses Aldrovandi published a major treatise, De Animalibus Insectis, which means of insect animals, in 1602. With the aid of the newly developed microscope, the Dutch naturalist Jan Swammerdam was able to observe the minute structures of many insect species. Now, modern insect classification began in the 18th century. The French biologist René Antoine Furchot de Rémur published the first volumes of Memoirs per Severe à Histoire des Insectes, which means memoir serving as a history of insects, back in 1734. Carolus Linnaeus in Systema Naturae, 10th edition, 1758, applied his system binomial nomenclature to organize the classification of insect species. Now, entomology emerged as a distinct field of study in the early 19th century with the publication of such works as the 8th volume British Entomology, 1824 to 1839, by John Curtis, and the founding of entomological studies or entomological societies in Paris and London. Now, the body of knowledge gleaned from the study of insects has enabled modern economic entomologists to develop a wide range of methods for controlling insect pests. Some insects are perceived as threats to humans, both as agents of crop destruction and disseminators of disease. Methods of integrating pest management, which combine chemical, biological, cultural, and sanitation strategies, have been devised to control the damage done by insects to agricultural products. Benefits from insect studies include improvements in pest management practices and advances in genetics research. So studies using the vinegar fly, known as Drosophila melanogaster, have established a foundation in techniques used in virtually all aspects of genetics research that's conducted today. Insects have also been used in biochemical, developmental, behavioral, environmental, and ecological studies. The many functions that insects perform in an ecosystem, such as pest control, that dragonflies and mantises provide as predators of other insects, or the decomposition of organic matter that scavenger insects accelerate, have been elucidated by an entomological study. Insects that inhabit streams and other freshwater habitats, such as mayflies, caddis flies, and stoneflies are used as biotic indicators of water quality. Insects are also used by forensic entomologists in a wide variety of legal situations that include both civil and chemical cases. And that concludes this video on entomology. Now, if you are interested in studying entomology, I would definitely take biology courses. Why? Because zoology is also biology. And when we deal with biology, biology is the study of life. And again, when it comes to insects, you have to understand this. We deal with a lot of insects. I used to work as I call them, I worked for pest control in Pennsylvania. Dealt with a lot of insects. Now you have some good insects and you have some bad insects. But most of all, when we deal with entomology, it's a branch of zoology that deals with the scientific study of insects. Now, the zoological categories of genetics, taxonomy, morphology, physiology, behavior, and ecology are also included in the field of entomology. So what I'm giving you is a brief overview on why you should study entomology. Again, what I do here on the Mind of STEM channel, I promote science, technology, engineering, and math, because if you want a rewarding career, do well in your math, study concepts like zoology. Because entomology, again, it plays an important role in studies of biodiversity and the assessment of economic quality. Again, thank you for listening to this edition of the Mind of STEM channel. If you'd like to see me make more videos, please like the videos, share the videos, and subscribe to the videos. I will be doing more of these videos. And if you're looking for more of the content that is on the controversial side, check out the 401 Talk Zone radio show, also on YouTube. And to go more into depth, listen to my Blog Talk radio show. I host them every weekend and some shows during the week. But in the meantime, if you can't find me on YouTube or Blog Talk Radio, you can find me right here on Facebook and Twitter. Again, go to my Facebook and Twitter pages. And I hope you enjoyed this information. Till next time, my name is Leon Jones. You have a wonderful and great day. God bless you.